Hi, I'm Renell with XBLUE. In this video we'll talk about the X25 and X50 connections. For this demonstration I'll show the X50 system because both systems have the same type of connectors. The X50 just has more capacity. Here we have the Quick Start guides. Use the Quick Start guide to select the best method for your installation. The Quick Start guide comes with every system and is available online at xblue.com on the support pages. The X25 and X50 both have RJ45 WAN and LAN ports. WAN stands for Wide Area Network and is used for connecting to the internet for remote phones and VoIP line service. LAN stands for Local Area Network and is used for connecting local phones and other network devices. The X50 has 6 RJ11 telephone company line jacks labeled line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so you can connect up to 6 standard phone lines. The X25 and X50 both have one RJ11 analog port labeled TEL to connect a single line telephone or fax. The system uses a 12-volt, 1.5 amp power supply. Here's the connection. Product support is available online at xblue.com. Thank you for watching the video.